Hey, what's up everybody? How you doing today? I have a special video for you. This is an unboxing video of Nokia True Wireless earphones. So this is just dropped here in Saudi Arabia, and I was just able to get it. And what made me actually get it is that I'm specifically an Android user. And if you're an Android phone user, what makes sense to get this earbuds is that it actually supports dual microphones, Qualcomm CVC technology for clear voice, and it has a pitch perfect sound, 10mm dynamic drivers, and most importantly, it supports Qualcomm Aptx audio. Now, Qualcomm Aptx audio is very critical if you're using, for example, another Snapdragon phones, as it's actually very compatible with Android. So keep in mind that this gonna sound great if you're using a Bluetooth through another Snapdragon processor. So this is one of the best thing about it. It has IPX5 waterproof, and it's up to 25 hours of playtime. It's a great. So as you can see, it comes with a USB Type-C and the port. So let's open up and see what we have inside. I really actually was lucky to get it, and the price, guys, oh my god, the price is so nice. Here, as you can see, it comes in this package. It comes with a small, tiny, nice looking, very small, actually the smallest, almost the smallest package I've seen, like very small, very tiny, nice to be fit. And you have this nice looking premium earbuds. They're plastic, of course, but they are very nice to wear. They're not heavy, not that heavy, but if you put it in my ears, and I did use actually once. I know it's open, just so when I tried it, I just only tried it, so it does feel good to fit you in your ears. And it also comes with a pair of interchangeable sizes if you are looking forward to get it more. So wait a second, just move this side. Okay, this becomes messy. It has 3 layers of packaging. So what we have here, some booklets, a package of USB Type-C, as you can see, and pair for interchangeable buds. So yeah, it comes with different type of but I don't know why they use 3 layers of but maybe because of the size. Anyways, it looks really great for the price. Okay, the price, it's very cheap, everybody. This, are you ready? Do you know how much is this? This is 200. I'm stuck with these. Okay, just wait a second. Anyways, this, everybody, costs around 235 reals. So to put that into perspective, into dollars, this is maybe around $60. So it's way cheaper. Way cheaper than the Nothing earbuds that they just announced. And the Nothing earbuds are actually doesn't support the Qualcomm Aptx codec. So keeping that in mind, the Nothing earbuds is made for Apple. It supports AAC and all these codecs, but not for Android. The Qualcomm, it doesn't give you that punchy bass and nice quality sound when you use, like, for example, an Android. Now here's another example. We have Nika. Nika is I posted the video about Nika. It's very great company that makes very good earbuds, and as you can see, it's easy to fit. It has a nice touch design, works well. Now it also supports the Qualcomm Aptx codec, which is a great thing as well. So these two, they do support the Qualcomm. If you're an Android user, I actually I could actually give you an advice to buy one of these, of course, but with the Nokia, it's a known company, very big company, known about audio, and it's just the fact that you can put these things. Let me check this out. So wait a second. Okay, it looks even nicer if you put it inside, just like this. I mean, look at this. You put it in, and it's actually get charged, as you can see with the lights on. And if you close it, you can see USB Type-C with the lid. Now it means it's charging. So that's a good notification, and it's very light and easy to carry on, and it's actually locked very well. So now there is some magnetics. Magnetics you can see here. Let me just to focus. So with the magnetics, it opens like this, and it closes straight away. Let me just show you. And let's just do the test for dropping out. So it doesn't drop out by if you shake it. So anyways, this is just a quick unboxing, guys. I'm gonna go through a lot of explanation later on with review. So stay tuned and see you in another video.